Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 Rose입니다. And today we're gonna study easy Korean words. 오늘은 저희가 쉬운 한글 단어들을 배워볼 거예요. Then let's have a look. 한번 볼까요? In the last video, we learned 숯, 숟가락. 숟가락 is spoon. Spoon in Korean is 숟가락. 숟가락. And 곶감. 곶감 is dried persimmon. Dried persimmon in Korean is 곶감. 곶감. And peat is light. Light in Korean is peat. And today we're gonna study these words. 오늘은 저희가 여기 있는 단어들을 배워볼 거예요. So, first one, ing plus is plus ending consonant kyuk is. So when you're using ending consonant kyuk is it pronounced G. Because normally when you're using kyuk on beginning consonant, for example, ko. So this is nose. Nose in Korean is ko. Its pronunciation is ko. So K is pronunciation on beginning consonant. You see? Here, beginning consonant pronunciation is K, but here ending consonants we're using 기역. So its pronunciation is G. So this is ok. ing plus plus ending consonants kyuk is ok. So here is, look at the picture below. 여기 아래 사진을 보시면 비읍 plus 우 is 부엌 is kitchen. Kitchen in Korean is 부엌. Okay? And next, P plus R is pa plus ending consonant tiet is ending consonant tiet is D. But normally when you're using tiet on beginning consonant, this is T pronunciation. So, for example, 토요일. 토요일 is Saturday. Saturday in Korean is 토요일. So here's to. Its pronunciation is to. You see? So when you're using beginning consonant tiet, its pronunciation T. So, but here when you're using ending consonant tiet, its pronunciation is D. So this is pot. But actually, T and D is pretty similar to hear that. So pot. We are writing pot. So here's picture 사진 있고요. 팥죽. 팥, 지읒, J, U is U, 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 기억 is G. 팥죽. 팥죽 is red bean soup. It's kind of soup. So red bean in Korean is 팥, and juk means it's kind of porridge or soup. 팥죽 is red bean soup. So last one, E plus ending consonant P is P. Pronunciation is P. But normally P, when you're using a beginning consonant, it sounds P. P. For example, here is the example. P, pot. So we learn here, pot is red bean. Red bean. Red bean in Korean is 팥, so its pronunciation is 팥. See? So when you're using P on beginning consonants, its pronunciation is P, but when you're using ending consonant, P is its pronunciation is P. So here is ip. So here's picture below. 아래 사진을 보시면 나, 니은 plus I is 나, 미음 plus 우 and 시옷 is 묻. 나, 묻, 잎. It's kind of 나뭇잎. 나뭇잎 is leaf. Leaf in Korean is 나뭇잎. So I'm gonna speak everything one more time. 억, 부엌 is kitchen. 팥 is red bean, so 팥죽 means red bean soup. And 잎, 나뭇잎 is leaf. So that's all for me today. 오늘은 여기까지고요. Then thank you for watching my video. 시청해주셔서 감사하고요. Then see you later, guys. 다음에 봐요. 뿅.